Hey everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here with ARES Tools. In this video we're going to demonstrate the ARES 10023 4-in-1 quick change tubing bender pliers. This tubing bender works on 4 different SAE and metric sizes of tubing. You got 3/16 or 4mm, 1/4 inch or 6mm, 5/16 or 8mm, 3/8 or 9.5mm. These pliers can bend in a wide variety of materials, including brass, copper, steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. And the size makes these great for use in tight and confined spaces. They are made of a heavy-duty steel material with a black powder coat finish for added durability, and they have a precision aluminum 4-in-1 mandrel, and they are designed for single-handed operation. The cushion textured dipped grip handle lets you maintain a comfortable, firm grip during use for better control over your bends. With the versatility of this tool, you can save time trying to find a tubing bender to fit your project. They are perfect for automotive application like brake, fuel, and transmission line repair. These handy tubing benders cover a wide variety of applications from construction, plumbing, heating, manufacturing, and marine, just to name a few. Let me demonstrate some of the things we can do with these pliers and how you set your size. These pliers have the ability to fit 4 sizes, and setting the size is really simple. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is there's a locking screw right here. You want to take a 7mm socket, put it on the nut end to hold it, and then you can take your Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the locking mechanism here. Pick it up, I'm sure you don't lose it. Now, there's a detent ball on this, and you see these holes here. As you slide to the different sizes, you can feel the detent ball drop into the appropriate hole at the size that you want to use. So let's go ahead and take it, and you line it up with your mandrel here, with your bending post here, and then reinstall the locking screw, and you'll be ready to bend. Now that you have the appropriate size selected, you place your line in the tool, like so, like this, and then you can go ahead and bend to the degree that you want the bend to go. Just like that, simple and easy. So yeah, these work perfect when you're fabricating brake lines and you need to get into wheel wells and places like that. It allows you to get in there and get your fabrication done. So you repeat the process until you've fabricated what you need for the job. That's our 10023 4-in-1 quick change tubing bender pliers. Make line fabrication a breeze. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.